Hey guys. Hey y'all, it's Cass. If you guys are OG, you know I've been missing for a while and I'm in a new spot because I actually moved back home with my parents to save up and reach some financial goals that I really want to reach so I can still invest into my creative content and endeavors. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. We talk all about DIY content creation toward the goal of becoming a DIY superstar. But today's content is not totally about superstardom, you guys, because today we're going to be shooting some really fun photos. We're gonna have some fun editing in Photoshop. So if this video comes out as planned, then today is International Women's Day. Go women, woohoo. Anyways, so with that, I wanted to create this shoot that kind of reflects what I envision in the future of my life as a woman in the creative industry. I have always been a huge fan of action movies, sci-fi, fantasy. I love Game of Thrones, Stranger Things, that whole realm. Marvel, I'm a Marvel stan. Fifth Element is my favorite movie. I love it. I got my Pulp Fiction poster back there. So I've just always been a lover of these kinds of films. But you know who's never in these kind of films? Black women. You never see a black woman starring in an action movie or a sci-fi movie or a fantasy movie, very rarely. So that's always been a huge goal of mine to portray within my film and my content. So that is something that I'm rolling out, and I thought what better day than International Women's Day to shoot some really cool DIY portraits within embodying these characters that I kind of envision. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up, get ready, hair and makeup, and then we'll just start getting dressed and shooting and all that good stuff. So y'all, my parents did not give me a beautiful space to transform into my studio as they did when I used to move at home, so we are back to using the bedroom wall. Bring the band in. So I'm wearing like sunglasses and hats and stuff for a lot of these, so I think I'm just gonna literally do the bare minimum with my makeup. Like I'm gonna do mascara, brows, and a lip. So today, you guys, we're shooting with the Sony A7S III with a Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter lens. Well, alright. So for the cowgirl look, I'm wearing this hat, which only literally fits on my head if my hair is like this and twist. So I'm going to tie this back. I've never done this before, so bear with me. So my goal is to take this and make it look like a ponytail. Okay, maybe this isn't gonna be as hard as I thought. It's actually kind of cute. Oh, this is gonna be dope because I'm gonna be on a horse. I think she's attached. Bam. It's like making my eyebrows rise up. I think it works. This is me cowgirl look.
Yeah, they want me to fit in, but I can't. I'm too different with it. Too advanced to think. You know my intuition. I got bars.
So that I can see myself when I shoot, I have the app on my iPad called Imagine Mobile, and that's kind of how I see myself with Sony. It just was an easier process. So basically I can see what's going on my camera screen on the iPad, which is great because I can set a time bar. Okay, we're disconnected again. Stand by. I want a lower angle. Right now, I look very pretty. Definitely like that angle better. But you can't see my shoe.
But never in a prison. Too far gone, never gonna sit and listen. This is optimism mixed with the best. You get it? What you're seeing is a beast in the flesh. I'm vetted up. I don't need to try to speak for the rest. Always keep it abrupt. They want to keep it a mess, you know?
Alright, so that is a conclusion for the first look. Sorry, it's so bright. But I'm going to switch now to motorcycle gal.
This is what you get when you're sitting as a vet. But everybody know that you're a threat. With the rest, let's go. We won't fit in our box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your box. No. Tell you.
Oh, forgot I was recording. Sorry, my memory card.
We don't fit in your box. Why you try to box me in? I got the key to unlock. I know the locksmith, optics. Speak of the loss, I'm eating lobster, chopsticks, freaking the boss. You know, I'll never fit in where I go at. Ooh, boss talk like I'm Boaz. Ooh, why fit in when you know you can stand out still? remember you more when you hand out deals. Let's go.
All right, beautiful people, we're gonna wrap there with the shoot. I'm just gonna stick to the action and cowgirl look. I feel like they both fit into like the action category, so I'm just gonna have fun with those since we have a lot of editing to do. I'm gonna bypass the sci-fi shoot for now, but don't worry, we'll get some sci-fi content coming eventually. But it's time to edit.
We won't fit in your box.